Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Thanks for the question. Powdered sugar is simply granulated sugar that has been crushed into a fine powder. Cornstarch is often added to powdered sugar to prevent clumping. 1 3/4 cup powdered sugar can be substituted for 1 cup granulated sugar, but the success of the recipe really depends on how you are using the sugar.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to thicken frosting without powdered sugar by adding cornstarch. Add 0.5 teaspoon of cornstarch into a bowl of runny frosting. Whisk it by hand or by an electric mixer. Check the consistency if it reaches your desire. If not, you can add more 0.5 teaspoon of cornstarch until the mixture achieves perfect thickness.
Let's help you make your mark.
If your recipe calls for castor sugar and you don't have any on hand, it may be tempting to use powdered sugar as a castor sugar replacement. However, using powdered sugar instead of castor sugar could give your baked goods a thin texture that may even ruin your recipe.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can confectioner's sugar be substituted for granulated sugar in recipes? A. It is not recommended to substitute confectioner's sugar for granulated sugar. Since confectioner's sugar has a much finer texture, and it contains a small percentage of cornstarch to prevent caking, substituting can give you unexpected results.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.